The veil between the worlds. The illusory separation between the unseen world, which includes the life of the mind and imagination, and also all of those psychic and spiritual realms that are subtler than those that we associate with the ordinary perceptions of our sense organs and perception of material, could be seen as metaphorical. When we meditate or perform ritual, or when we have a mystical experience of any variety, this curtain is said to part and we are able to gaze into the place between the worlds. So the veil is really talking about a state of mind that as you're going about your ordinary daily mundane tasks, you need to be in a certain functional or practical state of mind in order to move from thing to thing, to differentiate things in your world, and to move through a sequence of events. When you put yourself into a trance, either through breathing, through holding stillness, using sound, using hallucinogens, you shift channels into this other way of being where your extrasensory or intuitive faculties can have a bit more of a say in your experience. So this is what we're doing when we're meditating and when we settle down into our breath. So why October? I would suggest that because the days are getting shorter and the natural world is preparing to temporarily withdraw from the realm of life and growth, it's a transition point. It's a transition point into death, metaphorically and physically again. So this allows us to witness this process in the outer world and come into tune with it within ourselves, within our bodies. The symbol of the crossroads, or the equicross, can be found in many traditions, Christian, pagan, Buddhist, etc. The bars of the cross symbolize the spiritual realm, the vertical, and the material, human, ordinary reality, flesh realm, the horizontal. The vertical connects heaven and the underworld and passes through middle world, or earth. And the center is the liminal space, the crossroads, the meeting place between the worlds where traditionally the dead could be communed with, or it was said that there was a gate between seen and unseen. Depending on your psychic ability, you could tune in with this gate. The hanged man of the tarot represents a spiritual being suspended between the immaterial and the material. So oftentimes you can see this symbol used on the ancestral or Samhain altars because it is said to help to facilitate the opening of the gates, the connection between ourselves as human beings and the disincarnate realm.